Welcome to the JoomlaXTC tutorial for the J module for Community Builder. Alright, let's get this sucker installed and have some fun. So first we're going to go to our administration panel and log in. Alright, now that we've logged in, we're at our administration panel, so we're going to go to Components, Community Builder, Plugin Management. Now if you already have an installed Community Builder, you're going to need to install it and configure it before we do this. So we've already installed it, and now we're at the Plugin Manager. On the Plugin Manager, if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see where we can install a new plugin. This is just like installing a module, extension, or template in the regular Joomla, but this is how we install it into Community Builder. So we're going to browse our hard drive for the J module zip. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and install it. Alright, success, so we're going to continue. And now let's go down to the bottom of the list, because in Community Builder, your new modules, plugins, show up at the bottom. So we'll click on this to configure it. CBJ module. Okay, as you see, the plugin is not published, so let's take a moment and go ahead and publish it real quickly here. And over on the right are parameters. This is just, is it enabled or unenabled? So yes, it's enabled, and let's go ahead and save this. Okay, so now we're going to move over to the tab management. This is the area where it displays the plugin in the front end tabs of Community Builder. So now we're going to scroll down to the bottom again. We're going to see J module, and this is where we're going to configure it. So pretty simple configuration here. Your standard Community Builder. Down here you've got your position, your display type, and everything that's inherent in Community Builder. Our only real parameter is over here on the right, and it's the module position name. This is where you'll put in a unique name for the module position that you want to pull into the Community Builder tab. For this demo, we're going to use the one that we've already got in there called J module. So you can put whatever position you want in there, user 1, user 2, user 3, user 4, user 5, but you want to make sure that that position is not already called in your template, because you might get some kind of conflict there. So generally make a new position name and apply it to that module. So let's go ahead and save, and let me show you how to do that real quickly here. So now we're going to go up to Extensions, our Module Manager, and let's just go ahead and let's say we want the Breadcrumb module to show up in Community Builder. So we're going to go to Breadcrumbs. Now we've chosen the Position J module for our position. So you go over here where it says Position Breadcrumb, and instead of using the drop down, just click right into the field, delete breadcrumb out of there, and type in J module. And save it. Alright, now let's preview and let's see what we have here. So we're going to go over to the preview and go into the front end and take a look. So let's go down here and make sure that we're logged in. And we're not, so let's log in. Alright, now we're going to go to our Community Builder profile. And we have our J module tab over here on the right. If we click on it, then we'll see the breadcrumb pop up in there. And of course, this whole tutorial was sponsored by JoomlaXTC.